Welcome back to a brand new video here on the channel. So for a long time I was thinking of uploading a tutorial on this channel, and here's my first video. So I'll be posting few more tutorials and I'll be giving you guys a YouTube starter bundle which includes the subscribe button animation, end screens and social media templates. So if you are new on this channel, be sure to drop a like, subscribe to this channel, and without any further video, let's get started. So starting with the video, first you need to download the required files to edit this template. I have given the link in the description. Be sure to download it from there. So before I start this tutorial, this template is supported on After Effects 2019 or above. So once you are done with setting up your version, let's begin with this video. So once you have downloaded the files, you need to open the After Effects project file. So you will see your composition on your timeline, and on your left side you will see the project files which you have imported to your composition. It's not complicated. All I will do is that I will replace the default files with my own downloaded assets. So here I have already edited this template, and this is kind of gaming intro, and I downloaded this a random logo. So let me just play this video so you will have a clear idea of this cool gaming intro. So you can just import your own logo and just replace it with the default logo. On your right you will see the files. The main intro is the logo animation, then the logo placeholder and the text placeholder. So to replace the image, you need to replace the logo placeholder, or you can also drag and drop your image on the logo placeholder timeline and change the default text from the text placeholder, and you will be done with your edit. It's a simple process. Most of the templates edits will be like this. So that's it for this video, and I'll be posting a few more tutorials with the starter bundle. So if you enjoyed this video, then be sure to drop a like, subscribe to this channel for more updates, and it's Rahul signing out here. I hope to see you all in my next video. Thanks for watching.